To set up a stock recipe for your product, log in to your back office. Go to the Products menu on the left and select Products. You can search for the product you want to set up the recipe for by entering the first few letters of the product name in the search box. Now click the Edit button on the product. Click on the Stock tab. And now click Add Product Recipe. Next, search for the ingredient you would like to add to this product. In this example, we will add the ingredient chicken breast to the recipe. Once the ingredient is displayed on screen, click Add. You can now enter the quantity of the ingredient to be destocked each time the product is sold. First, click on the Quantity drop-down. Here you can see a selection of standard pack sizes. You can add additional pack sizes if required by going to the Units and Measures section of the Stock Manager menu. Alternatively, you can use an existing measure and alter the multiplier to deduct the required quantity. In this example, we want to add 125 grams of chicken breast to the recipe for a cheesy chicken pasta product. As the lowest available pack size is 250 grams, we can select this measure and set the multiplier as 0.5. This will now destock the required 125 grams of chicken each time the product is sold. We can now continue to add the remaining ingredients required for the recipe. First, we will add 75 grams of pasta. To do this, we can search for pasta. Then, click the Add button. The 75-gram quantity is available from the drop-down, so in this instance, the multiplier can be left as 1. Next, we will add 100 milliliters of the cheese sauce ingredient to the recipe. Again, we can search for the product by name. Then, click the Add button to add it to the recipe. The quantity drop-down contains a 1 milliliter unit, but there is not an option for 100 milliliters. Here we can select the 1 milliliter unit and simply change the multiplier to 100. This will now destock 100 milliliters of cheese sauce when the product is sold. You can continue to add ingredients in this way until you have completed the recipe for the product. If your products have portions added, you will now need to update the recipe to adjust the units or measures required for the portion size. To do this, click on the Portions tab. Here you can add an existing portion size to the product. We will add a half portion option to the cheesy chicken pasta product. With the Add Portion tab selected, click on Add Portion. Select the portion size from the drop-down menu. In this example, we are adding a half portion option to the cheesy chicken pasta product. The new portion price can be set here. Now, click Save to add the portion to the product. Next, we will select the Setup Portion Recipes tab to adjust the quantity of ingredients required for the smaller portion. From here, the cheesy chicken pasta ingredients can be added as before, and the quantities adjusted to suit the smaller portion size.